Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make conditioner with palm oil. Palm oil is very good for your hair. It has a lot of nutrients and it stimulates your hair. It helps your hair to grow, it helps your hair to shine, and it detangle your hair very well. What you just need all is in your kitchen. You are welcome. So what we need today to do this is what you used to eat, and mayonnaise. This is honey. This is coconut, 100% coconut. This is palm oil. So what we need, we put a little bit of coconut. You don't need to do all this if you don't have this. If you just have only mayonnaise, you are good to go. So this is mayonnaise. So I do it in different ways, which I'm going to be showing you. It's going to stimulate your hair. Mayonnaise is very good to soften your hair. Mayonnaise is good to grow your hair. And this is 100% natural honey from Africa. You see the way it's thick? So this is it. So I put honey, and this is palm oil. Palm oil is very good. I'm going to be putting a 2 tablespoons. When you're using palm oil on your hair, you are going to see a lot of benefit. What you can use palm oil to do is a lot. You can even use it on your face, which I'm going to be demonstrating how to use it. After doing all, you just stir them together this way. Continue to stir them. Continue to stir it this way. Mix it together. Let it be mixed properly. This is very good and it's very simple to make. Your children can use it. You can use it. Anyone can easily use it, and it's going to detangle your hair. Your hair is going to be shiny. You are going to love the way your hair looks after using it. It's going to soften your hair. Your damaged hair is going to put them together. You see the way it is after mixing it. This is the way it is, guys. You can't go wrong with this. You have to try it. This is a secret that no one can show you. Growing your hair with palm oil and with other powerful ingredients. Guys, all these are in your kitchen that you use every day. Oh my god, the scent is heaven. So this is the hair. You see the way it is right now. So I keep on rubbing it. Just rub it all over. You see the way it's softening it, and it helps it to shine and makes it darker and lovely. It's very good. You are going to experience your hair dark, beautiful, lovely. You are going to love it. You help your hair to grow, and it will prevent hair fall. You will not have hair fall anymore when you are using this. You are going to love it. Just massage it all over, rub it all over by massaging it. So after I finish massaging it, I'm going to be wrapping it up with the nylon is done. So this is it. I massage it with my hands. Massage it all over the way you can. Play with it, okay? It's very good. You see the way the hair is shining already. When you wash it, that is how it will be. It will shine and beautiful, you see. So I'm massaging it, just playing with it, just having fun with it, guys. This is lovely. This is not what you should not try. You have to try this. It's a great secret that nobody can tell you. So I wrap it up, and I'm going to wrap it up again. After 30 minutes, I'm going to be washing it all over. You see the bathroom, the shower is very neat. Now when I started washing it, the oil was coming out. It's going to come out, okay? And I show you how to use dish soap to wash your hair. So this is dish soap. You can still add shampoo, but this soap is going to clean away all the oil from it, guys. This is a big secret you have not known. A dish soap is very good. I've made a soap with a dish soap here in this channel. Check it out. Bye. Just try it and you will love it. Take care of yourself. Subscribe.